Shoot more and more. That is quite important to be successful in stock agency, in stock photography market. Get out and take more photos, more and more photos. Try to learn new things and practically try these new things. And one of the cool point is try to shoot in different angles, so buyer can have new angle, new perspective. If you try to shoot in different angle, you can get different perspective, which may be chosen by buyers, which may increase the likability, which may increase the uniqueness. Shooting in different angles may create a new perspective, a new dimension, new uniqueness to a certain photo, to a certain image. And keep up with changes. The world changes very fast, same to photos. Photos get outdated pretty quickly. So try to keep up with these changes.